In today's video, I'll teach you how to add multiple photos in Facebook story. So first of all, open the Facebook application. You can see over here, Facebook has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now over here at top, you'll be able to find this option for create story. So what you have to do is tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be able to create the story. Tap on this option, select multiple that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to select multiple photos and videos. You can add up to 15 videos and photos. So simply tap on the photos that you would like to add. Now once you're done, tap on the next option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find three options over here: separate stories, photo collage, clip mashup. If you want to add all these photos to same story, you'll have to select either of the option photo collage or clip mashup. If you select the option for photo collage, you can see over here the collage will be created. Likewise, if you select the option for clip mashup, you can see over here the clip will be mashed up. So simply select the option of your choice. Here I've selected the option for photo collage. After you do that, you can add the stickers, text, music, etc. Make the necessary edits. Now tap on the share option that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while and your story will be shared. So like this, you'll be able to add multiple photos in the Facebook story. So that is how you add multiple photos in Facebook story. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.